Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. And right here at the right side we have a button disconnect. You need to tap at this button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave your speaker at the device list, and in the future you can reconnect it with your phone. And if you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove your speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just select forget button. Now let's disconnect it. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I stop Bluetooth connection with the speaker, but leave it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect this speaker. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!